So how can you test the iPhone battery? Let me show you how it works and what you can do about it. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So naturally, the first way would be to open up the official settings app of the iPhone and go to the battery section where you can see the battery health. So it's going to show you the maximum capacity, the cycle count, and when it is being manufactured and used for the first time. So it's a all like very useful information to check it out in here. But that's like, of course, the basic way to approach this. Outside of that, there are some apps which you can download from the App Store. For example, there's an app called the Battery Testing, which you can open up and just perform a quick test through it, right? So you're gonna just enable it like that. Perhaps you might get an ad depending on your situation or whatever, but you can see that the initial battery check may take between 3 to 10 minutes. And there are some other things you should know about it as well, because it's not going to be like, it's not an official application, but this type of application allows you to see like a score for your battery. So based on that, you will be able to see some information about your phone and see how well it is doing, right? It's going to give you the average score, and it is like a way to test out the battery. So it's not like the official or anything, but this type of apps can give you a score, like a number, and you'll be able to see how well is your battery doing. But you can see that, yeah, I still think that it's much better to go to the battery health and just judge it by the maximum capacity and the cycle count, which I believe are the most important parts to look at. But yeah, you have some other options as well. So let me know what you think about it below. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and upcoming videos like this one, and I'll see you later.